Meghalaya Chief Minister and National President of the National People's Party (NPP) Conrad Sangma arrived in Imphal today on a two-day visit to Manipur. Speaking to reporters on his arrival at Imphal Airport, Conrad Sangma said he had come to Manipur to express solidarity with the people of the state, understand their concerns and explore how the NPP could contribute towards restoring normalcy. He added that the visit would also include interactions with party leaders, MLAs and frontal organizations as part of efforts to strengthen the party in Manipur. On the Need Paper Leak controversy, Conrad Sangma said the matter should not be viewed from a single perspective and stressed that a credible investigation is essential to establish the facts. He said accountability should be determined only after the probe identifies those responsible and appropriate action should be taken against the guilty. Referring to the protests over the issue, Conrad Sangma acknowledged the widespread concern among students and the public, saying there was criticism over the way the demonstrations were handled. At the same time, he welcomed the ongoing talks between the government and protesting students, expressing hope that the dialogue would lead to a peaceful and meaningful resolution. Responding to demands from the opposition seeking the resignation of the Education Minister, Conrad Sangma said it would be premature to fix responsibility before the investigation is completed. He maintained that any decision should be based on evidence and reiterated that whoever is found involved in the alleged paper leak must be dealt with strictly in accordance with the law. Later, Conrad Sangma inaugurated the newly constructed NPP Manipur State Office at Mercy Lane, Manipuri, in the presence of State Union President Dr. Lorho S. Foze, party leaders and workers. He will address media during a briefing which is scheduled for tomorrow at City Convention.
And this is a very, very important step towards structuring and organizing the party. And I congratulate our state president, our respected MLAs, and all these state office bearers for working tirelessly and with full commitment to ensure that this particular office was completed on time. And as I said, today is a very, very auspicious day for us, a very important day for us. And I once again congratulate